Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to enable and use reader mode to make articles and web pages easier to read. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser, select your profile. Then you have to type in the search bar Chrome colon / flags. As you can see here, you have to open it. Click on this. Now you will see now Chrome's experimental features page. Now in the search list you have to type reading mode, reading mode, read aloud. As you can see, I have already enabled it. You have to enable it and click on relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the changes. I have already enabled it. Now I will show you how to use this feature. Okay, like for example, I will type Google, search it. Now I will open any website here. Now you can see I'm opening this website. Now to use this feature, you have to click the three dot menu in the top right corner here. Click on it. Now you have to go to more tools. In this option you can see here more tools. Then select the enter reader mode, reading mode from the list. Now as you can see here, my reading mode is activated. Now to read aloud the blog post, you have to click on this. Now it will play your all written article, and you can also change from here, like editing and copy link. You can also copy text from here, or you can edit the text in this separate window. And that's it. Now you can enable and use reader mode in Google Chrome for a distraction free reading experience. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Chrome tips. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.